Hi, Tudor and peers. My name is Jesus Monsalvo. I live in Valledupar. I study English degree 8th semester, and today I want to speak about an internet tool called Edmodo. Edmodo is a tool that is useful for teachers and students for create a virtual environment for classes, and you can upload videos, audio, and learn a lot of things. Today I want to show you how to create a class being a teacher and how to can solve this activity being a student. Obviously, the first that you can do is enter to the page called Edmodo, and when you are there, you have to be click on Soy un profesor. One thing that I have to say is the page is all in Spanish, and it's very useful and easy for us use of that way in Spanish. First of all, you can be click on Soy un profesor. In this stage, you can create an account like continuar con Google. Being as I have a Google account, I'm going to create my account of this way. Well, that's the menu of the class. It's very easy to learn. You can see all the progress, all that you have created before in that menu. For example, your photo, your role as a teacher, for example, and I create a class um, previously, but I'm going to show you how to create a class and how to share with your students. The first that you have to do is be clicking what's due. Look at this. This is the class that I create. It's that I create a class called vacations that the student have to speak about a little paragraph about his vacations. You can create an activity and choose the and do the date that you want to be the activity closed. In that tool called assignment, you create the activity. For example, I want to create the activity days of the week. Days of the week. In this window, you speak about what you want the students do. For example, the due date is for March 26, 11 p.m. and you can attach files also. It's very useful to use, and an important thing about this page is you have to copy the class code for the students. Of in that way, the students can be in there in your class, not in another class. In that space, you can see the class code, and you can copy and you can send the activity. That's it. This is it. It's very useful, very easy to use. You can see the progress, the qualification, the badges of the students, the message, and the activities that you can create. For example, days of the week or the activity that I created previously. Well, I'm going to show you how to create an account being a student. For example, you have to be click in I am a student, soy un estudiante, crear un nombre. Remember that the code is important. It's essential that you have a code for enter for if you have not a code, the page have no the opportunity to being in there of this tool. It's very it's hard to create a new account. That's it. That's all that you have to do being a teacher, being a student. You have also to write the email address of your parents. Well, that's it. This is this is how you can see the tool, the environment as a teacher, as a student. Forgive. Look at this. This is the activity that I created previously, the days of the week. It's very easy to use the vacations activity, and that's all. Thanks, partners and tutor for listening to me. I want to apologize if I sound very bad in my pronunciation or I'm learning. I have a lot of work to do. Thanks.